What if your playground could inspect itself? Playgrounds get forgotten, issues go unseen. That ends today. One cracked slide, one missed report, that's all it takes. We kept waiting for someone to fix this. No one did. So we built Playgrounds.com's Smart Playground Monitoring. Now, schools and parks across the nation trust us with their playground safety. Here's how it works. You place a sticker on your playground. A parent sees an issue, scans the code, reports it. Your dashboard updates instantly. You assign it, it gets handled. No app to download, no training, just safety at scale. Here's how one of our school partners is using the system to make their safety checks simpler, smarter, and more effective.
I'm Kara Welch, and I work in Washington Township Schools. I can see what's going on and then touch base with those people that I need to for repairs. Everything is in one location. The visuals in it are amazing. If there's an issue, there's an actual picture of it, so I can show my team kind of what's going on. So that has been wonderful. I can check it, I get an email, and then it shows up, I think, for school districts or cities or however it's used in the future. I think that it can be a wonderful resource. I highly recommend it so far.
If you act now, we'll give you the entire system free for 90 days. No installs, no app to download, no obligation. You don't even have to uninstall it when it's done. We built this because we needed it. Now it's available to every community. What if your playground could inspect itself? Now it can.